So I've opened up 7-RSR CompServe and I'm going to enable the content. And we are going to be creating a variety of macros using several different techniques. And for our first one, we are going to go into Create. I'm going to click on the macro button. That brings us into this little macro interface. And we're going to be using the controls in the center here to actually create our macro. So we're going to click on the arrow here. And what we want to do is open up the tech maintenance form. And then we want to go to the last name field and execute the find command. So we can key in last names and go to the record. So the first task then is going to be to open the form. So we're going to come down here to the commands and we're going to choose Open Form. The name of the form that we want to open is Tech Maintenance. Okay, so at this point, it's going to open up the Tech Maintenance form. Once the form is open, then we want to go to the last name field. So we need that field activated. So we need to go to the control. Which control do we need to go to? We need to go to last name. Now it's very important that you spell your field name correctly, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so last name is the field. And so at this point, we've opened our form. We are now on the last name field that is active. And at this point, we want it to execute the find command. And the find command is a menu command. So what we need it to do is run a menu command. And the name of the command is find. Okay, and that is pretty much what we need this macro to do. Open the form, activate the field, execute the find command. So we're going to save this and we're going to call it form find tech. And then we can go ahead and run it. So it's opened up the form. It has activated the last name field. And now we're going to key in the one we want it to look for. And it is working because it did find the record. So we're going to cancel out of there and we will close our tech maintenance form. And our macro is working, so we're going to close that as well.